The 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power door locks, a CD player, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.